everybody, welcome to what has got to be the most amount of gift cards a YouTube channel has given away in such a short amount of time. We're at 889 subscribers. The last gift card didn't hardly do anything. I don't know whether I posted at the wrong time of day and it just fell into the YouTube bucket and nobody saw it. But we're sitting at 889 right now. Still need 111 to go. I was really wanting to hit that by the end of June, and it is about the middle of May right now, the 11th, I believe. So, really, come on, I need it. We're getting there. I picked up a few this weekend. The Goblin review video seems to be doing really well for some reason. I've got a couple more cars for some friends that they're not like a crazy car that you don't see very often, like the drag Camaro and the DF and the Lamborghini and stuff like that, but still some cars that people are really interested in, that sporty cars that people like, but cars that we can get into and you can just go down a dealership and you can look at and you can see these driving on the road around you wherever you are. So we're going to actually try to do some more of those and see how they do. I haven't been doing many how-to videos. Money is tight. I can't afford to be buying parts left and right like I was. I did get a spoiler on my Toyota and I started filming for it and it turned into a bloodbath in a butcher shop. It is on there, but that video is not safe for viewing. The little bit that I actually recorded because I was too frustrated and having too much of a difficult time because I wanted it bolted instead of just sticky taped. It's on there and it's strong, but I had to butcher it to get it on there, so that's not the point. So anyway, guys, please share this video and subscribe. A lot of people will comment on it or they'll like the video, but they won't subscribe, and like I can't make you do that, but that's really what I need. I am going to get that 1,000, whether it's next month or in 3 months. I am going to get there, but the quicker that happens, the more I can start doing things and stop driving around and racing on tires that have 14,000 miles on them and a year and a half of daily driving, and she needs tires pretty bad. But I do have some things coming in for this that I did buy from my friend Jacob, and we will get some how-to videos for this. The Toyota we're not going to really be doing much on. I can't afford parts. But we're going to get there as well. I've got a lot of plans for that car. It is barely even scratched the surface. But we've got a lot going on in the next few months as far as car shows, cars and coffee, meets, cruises, things like that we're going to be filming. So please subscribe to the channel if you like cars and stuff. I mean, that's what all this is about. So all of you that have subscribed, thank you very much. It's difficult for me to remember everybody's names that have won. John, Peter, Kayla, I'm forgetting, there's 2 or 3 other people, and I apologize. I have an awful memory. I can't hardly remember. But please subscribe to this channel. Share this video around. The more people that subscribe, the more that this takes its own momentum, the more I can do this. And I really like giving back to YouTube and to the YouTuber, because it is a struggle for a lot of us, and a lot of people have commented trying to win that do have a small channel and are trying to make it too, and I feel for you guys. I am literally here too, but we're getting there, and we are going to get there in time with your help. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more Rage Fuel content and be entered for a chance to win $25. Thank you.
58, but you still...
Behind me, you'll see a car.